1025 and on Fox 28. Thanks for being with us this morning. We have a great crowd.
Yeah!
I'm going to bring a fan.
And we're going to hear from Angela Perley and the Howlin' Moons again in just a few minutes. In the meantime, Ed and Krista are here. You have abandoned your posts.
Yes. Are we abandoned the basement?
Yeah, this is
where we are.
This is out of our element, but we're loving it. We're having a blast doing it.
Yeah.
And we do the morning show, and we love your morning show as well. How long have you guys worked together?
We have been we've been doing the show together almost 2 months now.
Sweet.
All right.
How's that chemistry working out so far?
Good. Yeah.
And by
going
chemistry, I mean the things that you're mixing together downstairs.
good. Right. Yes.
It's our little mad lab.
And you're mixing up a really fun summer. You have Big Summerfest coming up, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
we've
yes.
got a lot of shows on the way. The big one, City 1025, turning 25 years old this year. And our summer festival, it's a 3-day event, starts on July 23rd. That's a Thursday night. We'll have Cake headlining that night.
Right.
Then on Friday night, July 24th, we'll have Weezer. And then a slew of local artists on the 25th on Saturday. It's a $5 low dose show. It's our way of giving back.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Now,
we
this
have
is not our
Angela.
last breakfast in the big room either,
No.
because we're going to do this again, and Summerfest is involved in that.
Yes, we're going to have a local showcase for an artist to open up for our third installment of CD 1025 Summer Festival. And so whoever wins is going to be part of our second installment of Breakfast in the Big Room on July 24th.
So for people looking ahead to the third Breakfast in the Big Room, what is the showcase? How can people, submit their music?
We've actually got it narrowed down to our 10 finalists already. We're going to narrow that down a bit more, and then we've got a showcase set for Scully's on July 17th.
We should also
Fantastic.
mention that the day that we are here live for our third Breakfast in the Big Room, it is the 25th anniversary for CD 1025. So it's
all
going to
coming
be
together.
a
Yes,
huge
yes.
celebration.
Great.
In the meantime, you want to hear more from Angela Perley and the Howlin' Moons.
This is
Here they
a
are with-
never before heard song. I believe this is going to be Green Eyes.
This is from
the
the new
world
album.
debut right here on
right.
Midday Columbus and CD 1025.
All right.
I feel something good is coming up for me, baby. I said I feel something good is coming up for me, baby. No cares, I'm not scared. I got 2 tickets and I'm taking you with me. You give me green eyes in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart now. Green eyes in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart now. Sunshine in my heart now. Ooh, ooh, they can tell what they want to. I said, ooh, ooh, they can tell. Oh, they want to. Oh, but all I really wanted to is get somewhere alone with you, yeah. You give me green eyes in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart now. Green eyes in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart tonight. Sunshine in my heart tonight. in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart tonight. Green eyes in the morning, baby. Sunshine in my heart tonight. Sunshine in my heart tonight. Sunshine in my heart tonight.
Angela Perley and the Howlin' Moons on Fox 28, GDC, and CD 102.5. When we come back, we're going to head out to the new bar here in the big room and find out what's in store for CD 102.5.
This radio station has a lot up its sleeve, and it's going to talk about how Columbus is changing the whole music scene around the world, the country, everything. This is the hashtag Big Room Breakfast on Good Day Columbus.
And also hashtag CD 102.5, and we'll be right back.